Welcome back to the channel, guys. Man, I just left the gym, got a workout in. Figured I'd show you guys this little spot right here that I kind of get onto the freeway, and it just sounds real good, man. I've been wanting to show y'all this part right here, so I finally came back over here to this gym, let y'all hear this thing scream. All right, man. Here we go, guys. God, man, that spot right there is just so amazing. Just straight on, nobody's in the way. You get that little extra sound from the freeway walls, man. That's, whew, man. God, I hope y'all can hear that. That's why I love this thing, man. And then the downshift, Lord. Ooh, man. Hell yeah, hell yeah. If y'all ever been to the hood and washed your car and you're a car guy and you know your stuff is pretty clean, every time you're in the hood, man, and you drop by like a little car wash or something, you always gonna get that one person. They be like, hey man, that motherfucker clean right there.
This motherfucker clean.
You always gonna get that one person, that motherfucker clean right there, boy. You always gonna get that right there.
Up to Denton, and then I'm not going to be in the front. I mean, it's, play whatever, have fun, be responsible, do whatever. You're all responsible for yourselves. Have a good time. But yeah, over to I-35W, up to Hooters, eat some food, have a good time. That's the general plan.
All right, that works for me.
Yeah. Be safe. Time to start your engine.
Shelby squad out here. It's about at least 15 of us, I think. 350s, 500s. Got like 5 behind me. That's dope right here. White 500 coming. We had the Shelby crew come out to eat Hooters. Y'all to eat. Some of them are missing. Some of them went home. We got a nice 350R right here. Cool guy. Beautiful color. This thing's dope. You don't see these much around anywhere. This blue one is really nice. Love this one right here. Nice 350 right here. 500, man. This is one of the better body styles. I do love this body style. 350 right here. He had a nice exhaust pop tune, as you guys saw in the video. Beautiful. It's 500 right here in this blue. It's clean. Carbon fiber track pack. This one he was chopping. He had a cam tune on his. This thing's beautiful. He said it was tuned by Lund. No cats. Sound real good. Another carbon fiber track pack. This is Tim. He actually takes his off the track. He actually had a small accident, man. He went off the track and just got it back together. Oh, I see his door, what he was talking about. Man, that's crazy. This the girls, they were flying. Got Broly right here. We got two of the 14s. Good little lineup right here. All right, guys, we're getting the exhaust done. Right now, we're gonna be measuring for the cat deletes, the custom pipes. Coming from the Shelby event, so we're gonna do some measuring for custom cats. So I saw a couple people making them, but they all got discontinued. So hopefully we can come up with something here, and then we'll have a whole custom exhaust, really, basically. That splitter. I think you're good. Deletes here already, so we keep everything else. We got the X pipe, so we got a double X to resonators. So right here we're gonna do the custom.
Yeah, it's actually the same as the 350s in the regular Mustang too. GT.
Yeah, the flange.
Yeah,
So-
the manifolds are totally different, but the size of the flange.
Yeah.
I would probably just try to get the manager band. This is 2 3/4. It's not 3 inch. So we can customize the down pipe to 3 inch.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. 3 inch and 2.
To the flex pipe. After the flex pipe will have to be 2 3/4. And I could probably order those bends and just kind of weld them together.
Okay, right here.
Something, yeah, so right there, something like what that guy had. Or do 3 inch, and then from here up 2 3/4, or 3 inch to here, and then from right here 2 3/4 right there.
Okay.
So you kind of keep everything at the both on.
Yeah, because that's what I wanted.
Yeah, because I found those flex pipes, the same ones. I can get the same style as this ones, are cheaper, but the other ones are like, shoot, man, they're expensive, like $90 a piece. But I'm pretty sure at the end of the day, it might end up costing a little bit cheaper than that system you saw.
Yeah.
Probably about the same, because that one was like, how much, like 600, right? Yeah, so, and it just, that one's just polished. The one that I'll do with it is stainless, so something like this is kind of premium for color dimension.
Okay.
Let's just get the, so that's 2 3/4. It's gonna be 2 90s, or at least 90 and 85.
All right, y'all. So we getting the exhaust done. Charlie's gonna come up with some parts, get everything in, flex pipes. Got those flanges measured, so then we're gonna come up with the rest of the exhaust and build our own exhaust down there. Just like I said, everything else is discontinued, so we really can't find anything else. And I don't really want to do a full exhaust. There's no point. Back here is great on the GT500s. We already did the resonator delete double X pipe, so really all you need is the up front part and you're good. And the thing looks good. Sheesh, that's you right there. That look good right there. Dang, I can see you in that.
Don't like me, but I don't care what.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I did the dash. Yep. Mash it. Yes, sir. From this angle over here, son. Yeah.
If you look at it one angle, it looks like that fly, and then you start looking around, it's just sparkling.
Yep. It's crazy. Gas station, like I said, is the best. Getting ready to build a custom exhaust catless for the Shelby, and then we'll have catless pipes. Pulley should be in soon, and then we'll get ready for the other mods. I'm not gonna say what else, and then hopefully some tuning, man. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I've been battling a little cold, man. Nose is all stuffy and shit. You guys can probably hear it in the video, but yeah, I appreciate y'all support. Peace out.